Hello, good evening. Welcome to our channel Yushi Talks, and today we are talking about Kaitlin Armstrong's lawyer who says murder suspect will be acquitted if case goes to trial. We have more details. Please continue to watch this video. An attorney representing Kaitlin Armstrong, an Austin woman accused of killing a young cyclist in May before fleeing to Costa Rica, says that the murder suspect will be acquitted if her case goes to trial. I expect this. The government's own evidence will acquit Kaitlin Armstrong. They just haven't looked at it. Rick Cofer, a partner at Cofer and Connolly, said, Kaitlin Armstrong is not guilty, and if this case goes to trial, if the district attorney does not dismiss it before it goes to trial, she will be found not guilty. Armstrong led the U.S. Marshals on a 43-day chase after 25-year-old professional gravel cyclist Mariah Wilson's shooting death when she allegedly left the country with a passport that was not hers. Authorities found her in Costa Rica in June and detained her on an immigration charge. The captured fugitive is accused of shooting Wilson after the 25-year-old spent a night out with Colin Strickland, Armstrong's 35-year-old boyfriend and also a pro cyclist. The two had a romantic history that angered the suspected killer, according to a police affidavit. The crux of law enforcement's theory from within the first 24 hours of this case, they had decided that Kaitlin Armstrong is a crazy, jealous person that in a fit of rage murdered Miss Wilson, Coffer told, adding that the whole case against Kate Armstrong is projected on a deeply misogynistic view of her. On the night of Wilson's death, May 11, a black SUV with large bike rack is seen driving near the Maple Avenue home where Wilson was staying on security camera footage obtained by police a minute after Wilson returned from her outing with Strickland. Leaving later that evening, Austin police responded to a 911 call from the residence. The caller, Wilson's friend, said that Wilson was bleeding and unconscious at the location. Police discovered a 25-year-old suffering from multiple gunshot wounds upon arrival and determined that she had been shot inside the residence. The next day, when marshals arrived at Strickland's address, where Armstrong was living, they observed a 2012 black Jeep Cherokee with a large bike rack that appeared to be the same vehicle observed on surveillance footage. Strickland told police that vehicle belonged to Armstrong. Officers also discovered two 9mm guns in Strickland's home, the affidavit states. Police say Armstrong sold her Jeep through CarMax dealership for just $12,200 before fleeing the country. So this dark-colored SUV, that's where the detective really wants to start to hang his horrible crime on Kaitlin Armstrong. There's no evidence presented ever of a license plate on this vehicle, of any description of an occupant of the vehicle, Cofer said. You can't be in two places at once. That's just simple math. Cofer, who is currently under a gag order, could not speak, to provide more details about this. Cofer's biography on his website states that the attorney fixes legal problem for good people. That's all we have in today's video. Please continue to watch the space for more informative news. Thanks for watching us. You have a wonderful day ahead. Bye-bye.